A federal judge in Texas is promising a ruling soon on whether to overturn the FDA's approval of the abortion drug. Abortion rights advocates are not optimistic after the judge appeared open to siding with the conservative plaintiffs during yesterday's hearing. ABC News senior national policy reporter Ann Flaherty joins me live now for more on this. And what is each side arguing in this case?
So what we heard yesterday, Diane, were two very different versions of reality. You had the conservative plaintiffs who laid out their case that this drug was dangerous, they said. They said it had harmed women and girls and that the FDA was politicized 23 years ago when they approved this drug. Now next we heard from government lawyers, the FDA. We heard from the abortion pill manufacturer, Danco Labs. They said this absolutely is not true. It's been on the market for 23 years and there have been no safety signals on this. And in fact, it's been used worldwide and they haven't seen safety signals. So two very different versions of reality presented to this judge, asking them to pull this drug off the market entirely, even in states where it's legal.
So when can we expect a ruling and what immediate consequences would come into play here?
So the judge says he plans to rule as soon as possible. Everyone in Washington is looking at this PACER system to see when he's going to pop out this ruling any moment now. He might take a few days, though, to really consider those arguments. Of course, his track record is he has aligned himself with anti-abortion access advocates. So most people that we've talked to yesterday, Planned Parenthood and other groups, said they were not optimistic that he was going to take their side. What they do expect is that this drug will cease to become available as soon as he rules. Even in states like California, New York, Oregon, Washington that have really worked to shore up access to abortion rights.
Meanwhile, Utah just passed a law that will ban abortion clinics in the state by next year. How will that be enforced, and where does this leave the national landscape when it comes to the battle over abortion rights?
Right. So the governor in Utah is having a press conference today where he's probably going to be asked about this. He hasn't signed the bill into law yet, but he says that he supports it. And what this bill would do is go after abortion clinics through their licensing. It says that as of May, they have to be hospitals if they're going to conduct abortions. These clinics say that's not practical, that it's too expensive. They're likely to lose their licenses. And then as of next year, they're not going to be able to operate at all. Any abortions are going to happen at hospitals. And this is a new tactic that we're seeing from Republicans who are trying to make it available to women who are in crisis, medical emergencies, not preventing them from getting an abortion, but preventing other women from getting an abortion as an elective reason. Diane.
All right, senior national policy reporter Ann Flaherty, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.